All right, Facebook, YouTube, what is going on, guys? Jason with Elite Floor Care here. Today is Thursday, November the 2nd. We are in Townsend, Tennessee today. We're going to be working for a client of ours who has multiple rental properties around this area, multiple cabins. And as you guys can see, what we're working in today is a rental cabin that they are working on renovating right now. As you guys can see, as soon as we make entry into the house here, the cabin here, these floors are in terrible condition. They are missing a lot of stain. You can see on the first level here is going to be the worst of it as far as the stain that is missing. Now, as I took a closer look on the second level, there was actually no stain at all, guys. These hardwood floors have been completely unfinished on the top. I don't know why. I don't know how they've survived this long without having a finish on them. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, is a screen and recoat on these hardwood floors, some massive color correction, and adding protection to the top floor. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Real quick, guys, I wanna show you a really good before. You can see these areas here at how much stain is missing. The high traffic areas, so we're gonna have to do a lot of color correction. We're gonna have to do a pretty aggressive screening on the downstairs. The upstairs, there's really no finish on here at all, guys. I'm not sure why. I don't know if there was, and they just didn't put enough coats of poly on here, but you guys can see these floors up here on the top level are basically diminished to nothing. So we're gonna be putting 2 coats of polyurethane up here, guys. I think this project's gonna turn out great, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the after results, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Have really good results. All right, guys, so one of the first things that we like to do is go ahead and sweep the floor. And it's a good thing we did, because you can see in this next clip, there was quite a bit of debris on the floors. And guys, check this out. Look at all these screws, spacers, and other sharp things that could have damaged the floors. This is why we pre-vacuum, to make sure we don't do any further damage to the floors. All right, so you guys can see we're getting some really good abrasion here in the living room. We're probably gonna be going over the living room twice, since we are gonna be putting some stain back in, doing a little bit of color correction on these floors. Guys, I think they're gonna turn out incredible. All right, guys, so step 3, we wanna make sure that we're vacuuming up all of that old polyurethane, that old top coat. Before we get ready to put the new top coat on, this is one of our clean and prep steps. Wanna make sure all of that's off the floor before we go putting a new top coat on. All right, guys, so we've got these floors successfully screened. We went ahead and vacuumed. What we're doing now is cleaning and tacking the floors. So we got our preparatory floor cleaner here, and we are just applying that to the floor with a spray bottle. And then we're gonna mop it with a microfiber mop, making sure that we're picking up any contaminants, foreign debris, anything like that that's gonna interfere with the adhesion of this finish to the floor. We wanna make sure we get successfully removed. So that's what we're doing now. All right, guys, so we got that first coat officially rolled up here, and it looks incredible compared to what we have not rolled. So that has no polyurethane, and look at that, guys. Look at the color difference, how much richer these floors look. Guys, they're gonna come out great. All right, guys, we've got that first coat on upstairs, and these floors look already so much better. All right, guys, so what we're doing now is pushing stain back into the floors, because you guys can see they were missing quite a bit of stain from a lot of high traffic over the years. And guys, can't wait till you see, once we roll the polyurethane on, it looks like this never even happened. All right, guys, so what we're doing now is adding an additive to give these floors more of an oiled look, since these did originally have oil on them. They are older looking floors in a cabin, so we want to give them kind of that oil modified look. Guys, I think these are gonna turn out really well. Let me go ahead and just show you guys real quick. Let me get this cap back on. We're gonna get that mixed up, finish out these floors. But guys, take a look at what we've already got done. We've got that color correction done, and guys, look how good these floors are turning out. I mean, guys, compared to what they were before to what they are now, guys, these floors look incredible. This is an area that we've not done. We've done a little bit of color correction, but we have not actually added any poly to this side yet. And you guys can see just the difference between these floors, and they are coming out great. Couldn't be happier, guys. Stay tuned. These are gonna turn out great. Incredible. Guys, these came out so much better than expected. Like I said, we're about to put the second coat on now, and then we'll be out of here, so you guys can expect they're gonna look even better. We're not gonna stick around for the second coat because once it's done, we're just out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, if you did, please like, subscribe to the channel. Guys, look how pretty these came out. Oh my gosh, they came out so good. So happy. Client was very pleased with it. We're very pleased with it. And that's gonna wrap this video up. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.